Have you ever been to Care Market in Bangalore? Care Market is the biggest market in Bangalore. If you are walking through this market, you can see many things here. And if you come near the Victoria Hospital, you can find this big wall near the market side. So many people are sitting, many sellers are sitting near this wall and selling their product. A busy road. There are a couple of temples near this. And we are going to check out what is inside this one and what is this wall. Hi, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are in Bangalore Fort. Yeah, yes, there's a fort in Bangalore actually. It is built by Tipu Sultan. So I'll just show you this fort and what is that? It's actually a very small fort. It's in Care Market, near the Care Market. Not big, small, but it's nice actually. Let's get into the video and see. Bangalore Fort is actually built by Kempe Gowda back in 1537 AD, and this was a mud fort initially. And later, Hyder Ali in 1761 he replaced the mud fort with the stone. And later, his son Tipu Sultan improved this fort. This fort was actually a big fort during Anglo-Mysore War in 1791. This fort actually damaged. The fort had actually two gates, Delhi Gate and Mysore Gate. Right now, only Delhi Gate is there, and the Mysore Gate is actually damaged. The fort is actually controlled by Archaeological Survey of India, and the entry to this fort is actually free. There is a security card. You should write your name and details while entering to the fort. You can come inside, take some photos, and understand the history, and just check out the construction of those days. Spend some little time, and that's it. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you like this video. To watch more contents like this, please subscribe the channel and keep watching. Please like and share the videos. Thank you for your support.